Hi, my name is Jasper, and today I'm going to be talking to you about ribosomes, which are found in eukaryotic cells, and white blood cells, which are found in humans, and guard cells, which are found in plants. The main function of ribosomes are to produce protein that can be used around the body in various ways. In this microscopic picture of a cell, the small black dots are the ribosomes, and they are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. For ribosomes to produce protein, they need to replicate the DNA code, as you can see in blue. As they can't enter the nucleus sends out simplified versions of DNA, called messenger RNA, which you can see in red. Then the ribosomes, the grey objects, go swimming around the cell looking for messenger RNA to eat, and then that messenger RNA allows them to produce proteins. Ribosome proteins provide structural support for our bodies by repairing cartilage and tendons. They act as a defensive system to protect our bodies from bacteria and viruses. Transport essential nutrients around our bodies, for example, hemoglobin in the red blood cells. Lastly, proteins act as catalysts in chemical reactions, for example, digesting food. If ribosomes didn't produce protein, it would have a disastrous effect on our bodies. Our structural system would deteriorate, our defensive system would no longer work, so we wouldn't be protected from bacteria and toxins. Also, proteins help create features like eye and hair color, so many of those features would deplete. Now, let's look more closely at specialized plant and animal cells. For my specialized animal cell, I chose to look at white blood cells. Here is a microscopic picture of it. There are 5 different types of white blood cells, but the one I have chosen to research about is neutrophils. They are the most common type. One of their jobs are to attach to the wall of a blood vessel and block the passageway of germs that try to access the blood, for example, through a cut or an infection. When bacteria or viruses enter your body, the neutrophils are first on the scene and will eat any invading cell. Now let's look at my specialized plant cell. I've chosen to look at the guard cell. As you can see, they are kidney-shaped, and their job is to control the opening and closing of the stomata, which is the pathway that allows gases to enter and water to escape the plant. The guard cell controls when the stomata opens and closes so that photosynthesis can occur. For example, at night when there's no sunlight, they will close the stomata so that no gases are able to be absorbed, or if it's a very hot day, the stomata will close to conserve water levels in the plant. White blood cells and guard cells are similar in that they both have many organelles in common, including mitochondria, nucleus, and ribosomes. They are also both protectors. White blood cells protect the body from attacks, and the guard cell protects plants from lack of water. But they both have some differences. Guard cells are kidney-shaped, while neutrophils look like little marbles. Also, the level of complexity in their job is not the same. The neutrophils have to fend off predators, while the guard cell just opens and closes the stomata. Without guard cells, plants would be unable to survive, as they could not produce protein through photosynthesis. Without neutrophils, the human body could not survive because pathogens could get our immune system. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the mighty world of cells.
Created using Powtoon.